Rise and grind, back at you with another video of the Pull Up King. In this video we got a 2018 Nissan VERSA. This is a S model, S plus 1.6 4-cylinder. Alright, so we got a code. My client called me out, new client, hit me up, said they had a problem with the thermostat. Alright, so I came out here and checked it out. Has a code for P1217 overheat. So basically it overheated somewhere. She basically told me that she hit a turtle, and the turtle went off up in here, and that turtle actually damaged the radiator right there. You can see it right there. I dry that area up and it keeps leaking. So with that being said, we're going to be replacing the radiator and the thermostat. Got our coolant. Make sure it's the right type, man, for your year model. That thermostat should be located right where that hose is. Boom. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how it's done. Let's get it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, that's why I ain't focused.
What we're gonna start with, we got 10 mil bolts we want to take out to remove this brace. Get these tabs here. That's those clips there. When they push up, you'll be able to get those out with no problem. Took all those out, took the harness out for the horn, disconnected it from there. See, we here now. Check out all of those, even that one. Alright, I got it up and out the way like that, without damaging any of the wires. You can see the radiator. I'm gonna take this radiator fan out next, 10 mil. Gotta get these hoses, connector, undo it. Got another 10 mil over here. And we got those two connectors. Gotta get those loose. Now I want to show you these two lines. You can get them from the bottom. They attach to the fan, so you just want to pull it away from it. That's all I did. I went ahead and took off that transmission line. Get that out the way. Try to pull this out. Now this end right here, gotta make sure you get up under there and clear that hose. Now this harness is connected right there. Want to disconnect that. So it looked like we got a hose right here. You got to disconnect the lower radiator hose. It's connected to it. Alright, let me get down here. I'm going to show you this drain pick. This little drain plug to drain the coolant. You want to twist that, position that nozzle. Went ahead and took off that lower radiator hose and the transmission line. Alright, this side we got a bolt we gotta take off right there. Put my socket on it so you can see it. Alright, so another one right below. right there. And you press this back to get that from up under there. It's on both sides. Alright, once we pull up on it, we'll release. Go ahead and take off this upper radiator hose. They got these damn wires connected to the radiator for no reason at all. Alright, man, that's it. Got it out. And that thermostat is 210 mils holding that in. We're gonna go ahead and knock that out. Alright, so those bolts are actually 12 mil. Get your flathead, get that out. Brand new gasket, ready to go in. Brand new thermostat installed. Go ahead and get that new radiator. Gotta go to the store.
A few moments later.
Brand new matching up. It's the part number. These little rubber stoppers on both sides. Put it on a new one. And these stoppers, they at the bottom. And this is where the crack was, right here. Alright, I put that little radiator hose on. I'm gonna go ahead and put the fan in. Got those out the way. Transmission line. Alright, we in there. Got our lines connected. Go ahead and put this brace in. Alright, we're gonna top it off. Alright, next we want to start it up, turn the heat on, full blast. Make sure the heat does come on. Alright, that lever will drop. You want to take it for a spin. Make sure that heat is working. If it's not working, then you still got air in the system. Alright, man, I hope the video helped out. Until next time, pull up king.